In today's tutorial, we are gonna talk about linear algebra operations in Numpy. First of all, what you need to do is import Numpy as MP. Then we can use Numpy to do operations. For example, let's say that we want to create the identity matrix. We use numpy.identity and specify the rows and column values. And here you can see that we create a matrix with ones on the diagonal. And you can visualize the result by printing I. Then we can use a sub-library of NumPy that is called linalg that is specific for linear algebra functions. So for example, we can find the determinant of a matrix by using the linalg.det. Also, if we want to multiply two arrays, we can use the NumPy matmul that is specifically defined to do matrix multiplication like linear algebra does. So we can use this function, specify the arrays that are gonna be multiplied, and we can see the result here. We can also compute the dot product between two vectors by using numpy.dot. Finally, we can do the outer and inner product of an operation by using the numpy.outer and numpy.inner. We can also compute eigenvalues and eigenvectors by using numpy linalg.ieg. And here we can see the eigenvalues and the eigenvectors of this array. We can also inverse an array by using the linalg.inv function, and we can see here the inverse array. You can do a lot of other things with NumPy, but this is a very basic tutorial for it.